Welcome to On Kids channel. Sea lion, king of the ocean. Sea lions, also known correctly as male sea lions, are one of the largest and most powerful marine animals on the planet. Here is an in-depth look at the life and characteristics of this king of the ocean. Special Shapa sea lions have a strong and heavy physique, with brown or gray fur. They have large heads and white masks on their faces, creating a strong and majestic image. Strength and speed with excellent swimming abilities. Sea lions can achieve swimming speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour, helping them hunt prey and move across large ocean areas. Food and hunting. Sea lions primarily hunt underwater, mainly fish, seals, and even small whales. They use sophisticated hunting techniques, often swim underground and take advantage of their flexible physique. Fertility and childbirth. Sea lions inhabit warm ocean areas, where they create beaches to lay their eggs. The gestation period lasts about 11 months, and each litter usually has about 2-3 lion cubs. Conservation and Kalangesia lions are facing serious challenges from declining fish populations and climate change. Conservation efforts need to be strengthened to protect this animal from extinction. The sea lion is not only a symbol of power in the ocean, but also an animal full of magical properties and important to the ecological balance of the sea. Sea lions often occur in warm and tropical waters, while Canada is located in colder areas. The presence of sea lions is often noted in areas such as the Caribbean Sea, Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. Canada is often known for its marine animals such as whales, seals, and many other unique fish species. Thank you. See you in the next part.